So good evening, dear friends. I am very happy to be with you today evening for this web seminar. This is a very useful platform to exchange our experience and knowledge. And in this COVID period, this is the best option we have. In homeopathy clinical practice, a lot of diversifying styles are there, and that is natural in a system like homeopathy. Different people practice in a different way without sacrificing the basic principle. Some are using high potency, some are using low potency, some are using ultra high potencies like 50 millismol, and there is a lot of good results in all type of practice. Um, Experiment in clinical practice is an ongoing things, and Hanuman same also he was aware the importance of ancillary measures or taking care of the maintaining causes. So regarding the maintaining cause, as we understand that it is food is one of the most important single factor which is positively or negatively influencing our health. Lot of diseases are occurring due to the wrong diet habits, and many of our day-to-day items in our diet is having medicinal property and all. So a lot of information is coming regarding the utility of diet in therapeutic function. Similarly, we have around 2,000, more than 2,000 drugs in our Media Medica, which is available in the drugs available in the market, and usually around 200 polycrest we are using very often, but there are very effective rare medicines in homeopathy, and most of the practitioners are using at least a few among them, and the credit mainly goes to Dr. William Borick. He is the first person who is highlighted the clinical utility of rare medicines. Uh, this is a humble attempt from my part to highlight some of the commonly used rare medicine in clinical condition. Most of the things you must be also using. Along with that one, I have a lot of interest in the role of diet, because a lot of medicinal properties are there in many of our diets, not only vitamins and minerals and protein and carbohydrate and fat. Many more protective items are there. Nature's miraculous activity that it is we can find many a time. There is a very useful food item which work as a complementary to the real drug we are prescribing and all. Or coming to the function properly, I shall start. Locomotor system. Osteoarthritis in modern medicine is an incurable disease, and they of late suggest replacement of the hip joint or replacement of the knee joint and all. But fortunately, we have a very effective medicine as a palliative. Complete cure may not be possible, but a lot of relief can be given with our simple homeopathic medicines. We know that old age it is a very common disease, and among the overweight, obese people also, they are more prone to develop osteoarthritis. Genetic reasons are also identified. For that one, we know that we have many medicines, and Formica rufa is one of the commonly used rare medicine. We call it as sector medicine. In pharmacies, we call it as sector medicine. It is found to be very effective to relieve the swelling and the pain and discomfort. Second medicine is Angustura vera. You must be knowing that it is again one of the frequently used rare medicine, which crackling sound is the leading indication for using Angustura. These are all used in lower potency. Heel pain. In layman's term, it is heel pain, but in medical term, we call it as a plantar fasciitis, inflammation of the fascia of the plantar areas. So that is also usually the pain starts in the early morning when get up, and it gets relieved after a few minutes of walk. But it is the first few minutes, it is very painful, and for that we have many medicines, and among the rare medicines, cyclamen and Agaricus muscarius are the most commonly used medicine for plantar fasciitis or heel pain. Another condition is a growth pain. It is not a disease as such, but it is very commonly occurring in the growing period of the children those who are very active, and usually it occurring in the evening or night, and it is a nagging problem for the children. They will be started crying, and because of some children it will be severe pain also will be there. And for that condition, guaiacum is one of the most effective medicine. The second medicine is Calcarea fos. Both are more or less equally effective for the growth pain of the children. Necrosis of the maxilla is comparatively a rare condition, but sometimes occurring, but no other system having any effective treatment, and we have very effective palliative treatment in Hecla lava. This sometimes gives a lot of relief and arrests the progress of the disease. Tendency to sprain, especially in a sports person, in some athletes, it is a very recurrently occurring. And we have ankle sprain. We have many medicine like Ledam and everything and all. But the tendency for a sprain of the ankle joint, carbo animalis, is found to be very effective, particularly in athletes and all. Sciatica, we have many medicine, polycus like Rastos, Colosinda and other medicines are there. But to quick relief, Nephalium is in lower potency is found to be very effective. Pain with numbness will be there. And ammonium mure, where the patient is not at all able to sit down. So these are all given frequently to give relief to the patients. So for a complete cure, we may have to give the constitutional medicine as well. Rheumatism of the wrist, that is perhaps only two medicine. First is benzoic acid, second is Actias piccata. Most of you might have used and got good result also. This is also, most of the doctors are prescribing in lower potencies. In arthritis, any inflammatory conditions of the joints, experts suggest some of the food items, which is mainly the vitamin C rich fruits like lemon, orange, musambi, and other kind of fruits. Then green tea. Green tea is antioxidant that is control the inflammation and the progress of the disease. Garlic is another anti-inflammatory item which can be used in arthritis patients. Nuts, it can be cashew nuts, badam, or other kind of ground nuts, or whatever it may be. Of late, the medicinal utility of turmeric is well studied, and we know that it is suggested to prevent even prostate cancer and all. Even for joint complaints, it is it is a very effective anti-inflammatory substance for the joint pain. It is usually given along with honey and found to be a very useful medicine in joint inflammation in inflammatory conditions also. No, for non-vegetarians, mackerel and sardine are the two medicine which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, that also having anti-inflammatory properties, including the inflammation of the joints also. So those who are non-vegetarians can try this also along with the indicated medicines. Then other food items suggested by experts are grape, milk, olive oil, and they suggest to avoid as much as possible the sweet items and maida prepared food items prepared out of maida, and all fried foods are to be avoided as much as possible. Then gout and uric acid suggested food items are pineapple, ginger, and honey. Turmeric is again useful here also. Beetroot also having anti-inflammatory property. Apple is another fruits which is useful in uric acid. Lemon, olive oil, and green leafy vegetables are also having a positive impact on the gout. Banana, green tea, papaya, these are all also found to be effective in gout and other inflammatory process of the joints. And 3 liters of water is for drinking is again suggested, found to be having effect on the uric acid level in the blood. And no, for non-vegetarian complete avoidance is difficult, but as much as possible reducing the non-vegetarian food, especially prawns, crab, and other kind of things are to be avoided as much as possible. Chicken is comparatively safe, but other red meat also is not at all advisable. Mushroom is another things which is avoided as much as possible. Liver, onion, these are also not advised for uric acid patients. Alcohol, again, it is a proven food items which aggravate the uric acid level or gout, and the milk product also is to be reduced or avoided. Then capsicum, egg, and wheat. Fibromyalgia, it is a condition which is practically no test will be giving any positive result, but severe muscle pain and joint pain without blood test will be normal, but a severe disturbing type of pain will be developing in the joints and muscles. So for that, orange, mango, and guava, all suggested by nutritional experts. Tomato, lemon, watermelon are also equally effective in these conditions. In female, morning sickness, it is more of a psychological problem. Many polycrust like sepia are very useful, but among the rare medicines, amygdalus, amara, and symphoric carpus racemosa are found to be effective in controlling the morning sickness in the pregnant woman. To increase milk, many medicines are there. Among them, Medusa, Ricinus communis, Artica urens are all commonly prescribed with a good effect. Ovarian cysts, we know that constitutional medicine is very much important. Along with that one, Uferinum, either as a secondary medicine or intercurrent is given, which is found to be very useful. PCOD, other food items, they suggest the brown rice is better than the white rice. Plenty of fruits, salads, and protein-rich food, and curd. And the sleeping and exercise also is very important, because it has got a influence on the insulin sensitivity of the tissues, and proper sleep and exercise also important, because to reduce the overweight also very important for the treatment of PCOD. Avoid bakery food, because now young children or teenagers are very fond of bakery items, and this is to be avoided as much as possible. Poor libido in females, onosmodium is found to be very effective. For regulating the menses, Ashoga and Damiana in the tincture form is usually given. Nymphomania in females, Origanum is prescribed, and that is having a soothing effect. For breast development, Sabal cerulata. It is in a early teenage, if it is given, it has got a positive effect. Dysmenorrhea, food items suggested by experts: groundnut, spinach, pineapple, tomato, onion, garlic, turmeric, ginger, and buttermilk. Green leafy vegetables and mackerel. Avoid as much as possible coffee, sweets, red meat, and salted food items. Old age headache, cypripedium, without any organic changes or pathological changes, headache occurring in old people, cypripedium is given. In many cases, it gives very good results. Parkinson's disease, it is almost an incurable disease. Because it is categorized as almost incurable, but some relief can be given if Syncambos or Lolium tremulendum is given in lower potencies. Post-traumatic amnesia, natrum sulf is given, and that will help to recover the memory power of the patient with head injury. Sleep apnea, curare. It is again a disturbing condition, mainly in the obese people and having ENT problems and all. Curare gives a lot of relief in sleep apnea. Alzheimer's disease, again another incurable disease, but some relief, or we can delay the progress of the disease by giving ginkgo biloba and Coneum maculatum. Memory booster, green leafy vegetables, broccoli, orange, amala, green tea, fish, egg, milk, and soya bean are very useful along with the medicines and all. Onion and garlic and brahmi can be given. And now experts say that because the children, many tonic brahmi is given to the children, but a neurologist says that brahmi is not good for children, growing children. Gallstone, again comparatively a difficult case, and Felturi, Colostrinum, and Chionanthus are found to be effective along with the constitutional medicines. Lips in the fish are mainly the angle of the lips, Kondrang. We know nitric acid is very famous, but Kondrang also is equally effective. IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, more of a psychosomatic disease. Gambogia and asafoetida are found to be very useful. Avoid coconut milk, coffee, and milk products. Avoid egg yolk, Coca-Cola and other kind of colas, and fried things. Take more buttermilk, ginger, mint, and pulses. Appendicitis, it is bryonia is very commonly used, but the iris tenax and myristica, especially the suppurative the appendicitis, it about the inflammatory process. Constipation in old people, Staphylococcus tincture. Dyspepsia of the old people, we give Abies nigra in lower potencies. Acidity, we know many medicines we have polycrust are there, but along with that, Robinia tincture or lower potencies are found to be very effective. Natrum also is very important, but Robinia, the more the severe the burning, the Robinia is more indicated. Infantile colic, colocin we often give, but if colocin is not giving relief, Senna can be tried, and many times very wonderful relief is achieved. Piles with itching, petroselinum. Piles with bleeding, Hamamil is very commonly used, but mucina is a rare medicine which is found to be very effective. It is to be given in mother tincture form. Hepatitis B, again, it's a difficult case along with constitutional medicine. Many experts give Crotalus horridus. Pinworms, we know that Tucurium and Peonia are commonly used. Jaundice, again, many medicine we have, polycrust are there, along with one, Myrica is almost a specific in lower potencies or mother tincture found to be very effective. Post-operative gastralgia, roughness. Staphysagria is given usually in the cut area, but inside the vein, roughness found to be very effective. Acidity, food items, banana, especially raw banana powder, apple, honey, and papaya are very useful. Reducing the temperature in fever, acetanilidum. Weakness after fever, Alstonia scholaris. Califos also is equally important, but mainly after malaria and other kind of crippling fever, Alstonia scholaris is very effective as a tonic. Sleeplessness, we know Passiflora. Many medicines we have polycrust, but along with that, Passiflora tincture in 20 or 30 drops found to be very effective. Alcoholism, many medicine we have sulfuric acid and other kind of polycrust are there. Along with the lower potencies, Quercus or Avena sativa can be given. Skin psoriasis, again it is a difficult condition for curing. Corallium, chrysorobenum, hydrocotyle, gunpowder, and deformed nails, ananthirum. Polycrust like graphites are all used, Silicea used, but ananthirum found to be very effective in deformed nails. Eruption behind the ears. So graphites is very famous, but Arundo is found to be equally effective. Urticaria, especially cold water emulsion, Fagopyrum is given, and for controlling the itching, antipyrinum or thyroidinum is given to control the itching. So for cure, constitutional medicine is to be given. Ichthyosis, so like fish scale-like condition, Anagalis and Ichthyolinum are commonly used. It is found to be very effective in many cases. Keloids, again incurable cases, but to control the progress of the disease, Thiocinaminum, which is taken from the mustard, which is found to be useful internally as well as externally. Dandruff, Jaborandi, Badiaga, and Calisulf are very effective sector medicine along with the constitutional medicines. And leukoderma, again a difficult condition, very small percent of the cure only is occurred, but in some cases Ammi, Visnaga and hydrocotyle are found to be effective, either in arresting the progress or improving the case. Hair growth, Wiesbaden is a wonderful medicine in some cases. Result can be achieved, noticed within 1 month. Lipoma, Agraphis nutans. Itching without eruption, Dolichos. So in some of the cases, some liver conditions also may be there, but alumina, mainly the senile pruritus, aggravation with the heat of the sun, with heat of the bed. Acne, Berberis accifolia, Calibrom, Astrea rubens are used as sector medicine along with the constitutional medicines. Barber's switch, sulfur iodatum. Thuja is very famous, but sulfur iodide also is very useful. So sexology, sexual problems, oligospermia, lycopodium, and tribulus. Even other constitutional medicines are also used. Damiana also useful in some cases, but the lycopodium found to be the most important single medicines. So that is not a rare medicine, but premature ejaculation, titanium is found to be effective in many cases. Azoospermia, cobalt, and tribulus. No desire in female, onosmodium in lower potencies. Increased desire in male, fluoric acids. Erectile dysfunction in diabetes, Moschus found to be, acid phos also is useful, but Moschus found to be more effective. Food to improve sexual function, egg, orange, badam, watermelon are very useful. Allergic rhinitis due to dust, bromium and pothos. With itching in the eyelids, ambrosia and euphrasia. With itching in the palate, Arundo or Vaithya. With sneezing in the morning, ammonium pose. Due to the odor, sanguinaria canadensis. Sneezing with the cough, Aralia, sneezing at night, RM triphylinum, intercurrent histamine in 30 or 200 once in a while is found to be effective for allergic rhinitis. Continuous cough, verbascum in lower potencies or tincture form it is given. Allergic cough, Drosera. Drosera is found to be very effective in allergic cough. When there is no cough, it is to be given, not during the acute stages of cough. Asthma, sweet food items suggested by experts: sweet potato, ginger, avocado, tomato, carrot, watermelon, turmeric, black coffee are found to be effective. Banana, garlic, mint leaves also suggested for asthmatic patients. Tulsi leaves in warm water, exposure to sunlight also is found to be effective. Avoid dry fish, pickled white shellfish, milk, prawns, groundnuts, wheat, chips, citrus fruits, and dark chocolate. Bedwetting, tuberculum, testicum, and equisetum both are equally good. Involuntary urination in old people, especially females, equisetum is useful. Renal calculus, along with so many polycysts we have, hydrangea is found to be effective for diluting the stones in the kidney or bladder. Bony maturation, food items, cucumber and ashgard in the form of juice, it is gives a lot of relief. Kidney stone, pineapple, tender coconut, lemon, carrot, banana found to be very effective. As much as possible, non-vegetarian is to be reduced or avoided. Spinach, tomato, brinjal, grapes, cucumber, milk, pumpkin, cauliflower. Over. Okay, this is with the limited time. These are all some of the commonly used medicine and food items which is found to be very effective to positively modifying the treatment progress. So many of these things you may be using, and the use of rare medicines and food items are give a lot of positive results. Thank you for the patient listening.